Whether you need a new building or changes made to an existing one, structural engineering is the answer.
Hi, I'm Shia Smiley with Smiley Structural Engineering. We're a structural engineering firm out of Cumming, Georgia, north of Atlanta. We do commercial projects, new and renovation in a number of industries, including retail, hospitality, education, industrial. What we do is important because we have to determine the capacity of the building and make sure it's safe for the public. We have to come in and do the design of the foundation and the framing and ensure it's up to code. We consider ourselves advocates for the building because we want to make sure that it's safe and properly designed for the public to be able to use it.
Knowing what to ask when vetting a structural engineer is key.
Some vetting tips I would think that people would need to look for when looking for a structural engineer would be to make sure the person is licensed, make sure the person is going to be able to communicate with you and get back to you and explain to you what you need to know, and make sure they understand what you want in your project. The structural engineers are required to be licensed in the state that they do work in. You can check the Secretary of State in any state that you're doing your project in to determine whether they're licensed. And it's for the safety of the public and to determine whether they have the minimum competence to be able to design the building. Smiley Structural Engineering is licensed in 36 states, and if we're not licensed in your state, we can get it through comedy pretty quickly. I have experience in using multiple materials in design, including wood, concrete, steel, and masonry. It's important to know these different types of materials to help you work within the constraints of a project. Sometimes if you have an existing building, one material may work better than another to fit what the project needs.
And while they aren't interior designers, they do come up with creative solutions to common problems.
Some of the common restraints you come into when you're working on a project could be the existing building with a certain head height, or you have an existing floor system that you need to upgrade to match a higher capacity. Another example would be trying to take columns out of the existing space so that you can have a more open space. You have to determine what you need to do to support the framing that was resting on the column.
With so much expertise, it's no wonder they call themselves advocates for the structure.
We've worked with multiple clients, from local restaurateurs to some of the larger brands you would see across the country. We make sure to integrate with the team to provide the structure that they need. We're always part of a design team. We have to work with the architect. We have to work with the other trades, including mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers. We also have to work with the client to ensure that we are meeting the requirements that they've set forth for the project and the specifications. If you're thinking of starting a new build construction, or if you have already purchased a building and you want to make some renovations to make it look like the building of your dreams, you will call Smiley Structural Engineering to help you get that done.
For more information about how Smiley Structural Engineering can keep your structure safe, visit their website, ssedesign.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.